Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear student, today we will start the aldehyde group. Basically, the ketone and aldehyde, they belong to the same family but with the difference. That is, ketone having R group on both sides, whereas in aldehyde, one R along with the one hydrogen with the CO. So there are certain rules to explain the nomenclature. So in this case, RCOH. So this CHO group is known as the aldehyde. So in this case, CHO. First rule, select the longest chain which contains the CHO group. Numbering should be started from that side to which CHO attained the first position, because it always attained the first position. E of alkane is replaced by, that is the AR, that is alkenyl. Do not write the position of CHO. When two CHO group are attached, use di before Al with their position. For 3, try and so on. For alkyl radicals, the rules are same as alkane. Alkyl radical should be mentioned before aldehyde name. For example, so you can see in this case, this is the aldehyde group. Select the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the longest chain. Since the chain started from the function group and it is always attained the first position, so this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. And you know this is the methyl group. This is also the methyl. So both are the methyl group. The name of this compound is 3, 3 dimethyl, and 5 is the pentane. So pentanal, because this is the aldehyde group. Pentane, E is replaced by Al. So this is the pentanal. 3 dimethyl pentanal. Another example. So in this case, you can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we consider this, the aldehyde will omit from this parent name. So this is the chain. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Although it is smallest, but if we consider this one, it is wrong because the CHO group will go out. So this is the basic chain. Now the numbering, of course, it is the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. And you can see this is the methyl group. This is the ethyl group. And this is again the methyl. So according to the rule, the alkyl radical should be first. So this is the ethyl. Alphabetically it comes first. Position is 2. That is 2 ethyl. And then 2. And this is the 4, 4. That is the dimethyl. The 5 means that is the pentanal. This is the nomenclature. Similarly, CH3, CHO, CH3, CH2, CH2, and then CHO if we have the two alkyl aldehyde group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that this is the longest chain. Now the numbering, it is the first, it is also the first. But now the second preferable thing is the alkyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, methyl radical come on the fourth position. But from this side, 1, 2. So numbering should be from this side, not from this side. So it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. Now according to the rule, the numbering, that is 2, 2, that is the dimethyl, and then the position, since we have the two CHO group, so you should mention the position now. If it is single, then no need to mention the position. So in this case, it is the first, that is the 1, this is the 5. So we have the two aldehyde group, but the total chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pentane. So we have the two aldehyde group, that is a diol. This is the nomenclature of the aldehyde group. So we can say that the CHO is the functional group of the aldehyde. If it is only the one aldehyde group, no need to mention the position. And if two aldehyde group are present, then select the chain, and then numbering should be started from that side to which the alkyl attain the minimum position. So the name is 2,2-dimethyl 1,5-pentane diol. Next one is the carboxylic acid. The functional group is COOH, that is C double bond O, and this is OH. This is known as the carboxylic acid, RCOOH, where R is the alkyl radical methyl ethyl propyl. Rules for the nomenclature: select the longest chain which contain the COOH group. Numbering should be started from that side to where the COOH attain the first position. E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid, that is alkanoic acid. Do not write the position of COOH group because it comes on the first position. When two COOH group are attached, use di before OIC acid with their position. For alkyl radicals, the rules are same as in alkane. Alkyl radical should be mentioned before carboxylic acid name. For example, this is the compound. So in this case, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the longest chain, that is the 5 carbon. Now this is the methyl group which is attached outside the parent chain. So the numbering should be from this side because it is the first, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth position. Now according to the rules, methyl, it is attached at 3 position. So this is the 3 methyl, and then the 5 means that is the pentane. So E is replaced by OIC acid, pentanoic acid, OIC acid. So the name is 3 methyl pentanoic acid. This is the IUPAC name of the compound. Another example. Now select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we consider this one, it is wrong because COOH will go out. So this is the chain which contain the functional group. So we can say that this is the required chain. Now the numbering, of course, it has come first. So this is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. This is the methyl. This is the ethyl. And again, this is the methyl. Now, according to the rule, ethyl comes first. So this is the position 2. So the 2 ethyl and then methyl 2. This is the 5th position, comma 5. This is the dimethyl. And now we have the 6. 6 means that is the hexanoic acid. So 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, 5 methyl. So we have the 2,5 dimethyl. Hexane is the parent chain. OIC, carboxylic acid. This is called the hexanoic acid. Similarly, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, C, H2, C, O, OH. Now the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this COOH will go out if we consider this one. So it is wrong. The correct one is this chain. Now this COOH also come on the first position. This COOH also come on the first position. But from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the alkyl radical come on the 4th position. But from this left side, they come on the second, 1, 2. So this is the methyl and this is the ethyl. So it is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the 5. So ethyl comes first. This is the 2 ethyl and then 2 methyl. The position of this COOH, that is 1 and then 5 COOH. So total is the 5. So this is the pentane dioic acid. That is pentane dioic acid. 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, 1, 5 pentane dioic acid. So this is the nomenclature of the carboxylic acid. Student, you should do the practice again and again. That's why you will be more familiar with these function group, how to give the name. It become easy because this is the fundamental. If you know the fundamental, then you will be able to write the reactions, preparation and their properties. If you have any question, you may ask on WhatsApp. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah Hafiz.